Hi friends, it's Ziggy. Today we are going on a counting adventure, all the way from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's count together. Let's start small. Here comes number 1. 1 is just a single, lonely line, like one nose on your face. Can you point to your nose? 1. Next is 2. 2 looks like a duck swimming. Quack, quack. You have 2 hands. Can you clap them together? 1, 2. Now here's 3. 3 has 3 little curves like 3 waves in the ocean. You try it. Say it with me. 3. Look who's here. 4. 4 has a flag on a pole. You have 4 fingers if you hide your thumb. Try it. And 5. 5 is a whole high five. Give me a high five right now. 5. Great counting. Now let's keep going. -6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is like 2 rows of 3. 6 yummy cookies on a plate. Say it. 6. 7 is a lucky number. Like 7 days in a week. Can you count the days with me? 7. 8. Looks like a snowman standing sideways. 8 is great. Say it. 8. 9. Is almost 10, just one more to go. 9. And finally, 10, 10 fingers, 10 toes. 10 is where our counting adventure ends today. Let's shout it together. 10. Now let's count all the way from 1 to 10 together. Nice and loud. Ready? Here we go on. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Wow, you did it. You counted all the way to 10. Give yourself a big round of applause. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you a number and you say it out loud before I do. Ready? Did you say 7? Great job. Did you say 3? You're a counting star. Did you say 9? Amazing. You did such an amazing job counting from 1 to 10 today. Practice counting your toys, your snacks, or your fingers at home. Counting is everywhere. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to like this video and subscribe too. Mum time. So we can go on our next learning adventure together. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।